Hi, my name is Robert Henderson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Quick Power System before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Quick Power System is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Quick Power System, because Quick Power System is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Quick Power System and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Quick Power System works. Quick Power System is a digital guide that teaches you how to build your own source of electricity at home without investing in any expensive tools and materials. Quick Power System offers detailed step-by-step instructions, blueprints, and diagrams for setting up an electricity source at reduced costs. This will help you save a lot of money on your utility bills. The Quick Power System was first developed by Ray Allen, a 45-year-old geography teacher who worked alongside mechanical engineers for building an innovative power system that would cut down electricity costs and would also lower your dependency on power supply companies. This Quick Power System plan is ideal for everybody looking for a reliable source of electricity that can be set up anywhere for minimal cost. Quick Power System teaches you how to construct a power generating device that is based on the spinning principle that automobiles use. The very same principle can be used to power electric devices in the home. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Quick Power System, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Quick Power System for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Quick Power System from, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Quick Power System helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.